and stand on different sides, one thing at a time. I have to learn to hide, one thing at a time.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Jazmin Dennise, and I am back with another video. And if you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it a lot. But anyways, I am here because I am recreating a makeup look by one of my favorite YouTube makeup artists, and I have a few. I love a lot of makeup artists on YouTube, and including myself. Not trying to toot my own horn. Toot toot. But this one, I love him to death. I love his personality, his makeup, and everything. I love his life. And if you don't know, it is MannyMua. If you don't know who he is, Manny makeup artist, MannyMua, whatever. But I like adore everything about him because he's literally hilarious. But I saw this one look in particular I really wanted to try, and I'm gonna insert the picture at some point. I'm sorry, y'all probably looking at my glasses like, we see your ring light. Here, I'm gonna take it off. But I actually, I really like, okay, it looks weird when my bonnet is over my ears. There we go. I saw this, I remember him making it, and I watched the video for it, and I adored it, and I want to recreate it. But, what am I saying, But anyways, I'm going to recreate it, or try to do the best that I can to make the makeup look. Of course, I record with my phone, so I'm not physically have the phone in my hand to look at it itself. So I went ahead and drew a blueprint. Oh, there you go. I drew a blueprint of the makeup, if you can see it. Let me turn it back up. I went ahead. It was dark. Okay. I went ahead, drew it so I can remember. I could see it, but for some reason it goes like in and out of my head a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right into the video. I was supposed to start with eyebrows, so we'll go ahead and start with eyebrows. Yeah. So as you can see, I'm watching them right now, but I'm gonna go ahead, dive into it. As you can see, if you see the picture, let me go ahead and stop it. But anyways, anyways, I am going ahead, got eyebrows done. I'm gonna go ahead, if I say go ahead one more time, I'm going to start doing the look. So now we're gonna get into the video. Jumping in, I'm going with my NYX Jumbo pencil in the shade Milk, and make sure I use my fingers instead to make sure it blends all the way out. And then next I'm going with my Modern Renaissance palette and taking the shade Real Guard. It's like a burnt orange color upon the crease and a little bit on the brow bone as a transition shade. Jeez, I can't talk. And then I took another brush to like blend it out, because of course the brush I have is BS, so I had to use another brush instead. And then I'm going ahead and take that orange color in my Morphe 35B palette and put it on top and more on the crease of where I put Real Guard at, so we could brighten up the orange color. And then going back into the palette, I'm gonna use that hot pink to put on the crease and bring it a little bit lower down on the lid. Before any of y'all start questioning, yes, I don't know what's going on with my mouth. I don't know what I was doing. So don't be like, what is she doing? Because I don't even know what I'm doing. And I went ahead and used the same brush I used earlier to help blend out the colors, because like I said, I have just a bunch of random brushes, so a lot of them are not all that good. But now I'm going into this pinkish purple color to put where I put the pink at again, and putting it a little bit lower on the outside of my eye on the lid. And then I'm going to go ahead and use the purple, not the dark purple, not yet, but put on the purple on the outside of the lid, not anywhere else. But as you see, I'm patting it on, and that's why it's better color payoff. Now, as you can see, I went in with that darker purple to intensify the purple that's already there, but only put it on literally on the edge of your eyeball, on the lid, basically. And sorry for cutting out what color I used, but I ended up going in with the yellow to help blend out a little bit more of that orange, just to give a little highlight of yellow at the top. Now going back with my NYX Jumbo pencil and milk to do the cut crease. And it took me a few minutes to get this, but of course I'm skipping it so you don't see me struggle. Okay? But I went a little bit past halfway. And sorry if you keep seeing me looking back and forth. I was watching TV as well. But I went a little bit more than halfway on the lid. Now I'm going in with my Jaclyn Hill by Morphe palette and using this white shimmery color as basically like setting the NYX liner on my lid, but I'm also just using that because it was a bright white. Now going in with the purple that I used with the same brush to blend out that harsh white line that was going on. A little bit right here, just a little bit, just to give it some, you know, little gradient, I guess. And now I'm going with these lashes. I ended up finding them in Walgreens. They were by, I think, Kiss, but they were cute, so whatever. But now I'm going with my Marc Jacobs mascara to try to help the lashes that I do have. And I just used some regular lash glue. It's nothing big and fancy. Then I went in with my Wet n Wild eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, to fill in that gap, because you can't put on lashes and then just have a gap right there. That looks weird. Like, you gotta put something there. And now I'm going in with my Too Faced Hangover primer. It's not a holy grail. This is just all I have at the current moment. So, yeah. And now I'm going in with my Fenty Pro Filter Foundation in the shade 430 Neutral. As honestly, I really think I'm getting lighter, because like on camera you probably can't tell as much, but in person, like, you can tell like I've gotten lighter compared to that foundation. Yeah, I broke out so bad in this area. Like, they having a whole Coachella area right here. Like, I don't know. It's probably because I did have a Dr. Pepper the other day. Because I don't drink pop, but the only pop I really would drink is Dr. Pepper. But, yeah, whatever. We're just going to get back to this. Now going in with my Tarte Shape Tape concealer and putting little markings on my face, you know, where I'm going to highlight and blah 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 blah. And then here I go trying to convince myself that yes, we can do some, what is it, contouring. I was about to say concealing. Some contouring, because I believe in the last time I did it, it actually worked, but in reality it didn't. So yeah. So now we're gonna go ahead and blend everything out. Okay, so I finally decided to pick up some new setting powder, and I found this Fit Me setting powder in light medium. Y'all, this stuff still look translucent with like a hint of yellow. So I was a little upset, but I think I might have to start like using less maybe instead of just letting it sit there and bake. Because y'all, when I went ahead and wiped it off, I look casket sharp. But it's okay though, because you know what I do afterwards. I take my beauty blender that I use to conceal and use my foundation on, use that same beauty blender and go over the spots that also help blend it out, and then of course make sure all the stuff has seeped into the skin. Okay, going back into my Morphe 35B palette and going in with that really deep purple shade and going on my bottom lash line to, you know, give it the smoky look. And we're going to go ahead and do it on both eyes. And now taking my NYX Jumbo pencil in the shade Black on my waterline on both eyes. And then going back into my Modern Renaissance palette and using the shade Vermeer as my highlight on the inner tear duct. And I honestly almost forgot, so I went ahead and highlighted the tip of my nose and the bridge with Hustler Baby by Fenty, and as well as my brow bone. Once I start getting this bronzer and contour together, then I can start highlighting my cheeks. But for now, don't worry about what I do. And now I don't know the shade of this lipstick. I had this lipstick for a long time. It was just so convenient because of the color, but it's whatever. But I went in with my MAC lip pencil in the shade Bittersweet because I didn't like the lipstick by itself. Okay, I am back. I am done with the look. I feel like the lips are very neutral. Ooh. I can't make them as bright as his because I will look crazy if I do. So, hold on. Okay. Well, this is the finished look. I'm feeling it. Ooh. Okay, so yeah, you might be able to see my bra, but it's whatever. The Tarte top, got this from Fashion Nova. So if you're, yeah, free titties. But yes, I like this look a lot. I don't think it looks exactly the same, but I still think it's cute. I think I still did a good job. Don't you think so? Ooh. I don't know. I still feel like I did a good job. So, yeah. So that was this is the finished look. I keep staring at myself because I think it's so cute. So anyways, I'm not going to keep rambling on like I usually do. So if you have not done it yet, go ahead and subscribe down below. Or you can click the little circle that's going to pop up in the middle. Like, you could dislike, but if you do that, you're a hater. But go ahead and subscribe. Why are you waiting so long? Like, why are you waiting so long? And since you already watching my video, you might as well click on another video that I've done and watch that one too, and then do it again and keep watching it. You get what I'm saying. So, thanks guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.
Got M's in the bank like yes, indeed. Cartier glasses, I won't even peek at you.